Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm redoing my raised beds. My other ones were about shot. And this is what I'm using. I'm not promoting these products, but I've put a lot in there. And I've got some composted chicken manure that will lightly dust that. And then some rabbit manure. And then I'll top it on off with some more of the potting soil and humus and manure mix. And I got this bed off Craigslist for 20 bucks. And for the amount of wood and time to build that, that's worth it. But I've got a few other beds too. This is a metal bed I ordered. And I'm just doing some experiments, seeing which one I like best. And it's a pretty sturdy bed. And I'll do the same with it. I've got cardboard in the bottom and coming up the sides. And I'll sprinkle some chicken manure in here, rabbit manure, and do another few bags. And I'll be through with this one. And this one is one I built. And it was made out of cedar uh, fence pickets. And those are what I use to make it sturdy right there, going up and down. And also in this, you can take and remodify right in here and have your little compost bin in there with screen on it. And just throw your compost in there and have your little seat right there. But what I'm going to do is have a little movable seat on this one where I can move it down and work, because I can't stay crouched down. I've got a lot of old back injuries. I still keep on going, but I just can't stay down like that. Like on my other ones, I'll have a bucket out here I can sit on. And hopefully I won't kick that bucket while I'm out here. And but I ordered those little garden tools and set those on there. I like having stuff right there where I'm at. I don't like having to go somewhere and bring it. And they'll be all right there. And I've got a rain gauge I'm going to put over here with this stuff. And I've got a water supply where I can keep these watered. But I'm excited about the results I'm going to get off this garden this year. And I'll be keeping you updated on everything. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.